Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making green beans and potatoes. You will need 2 pounds of green beans, 8 small potatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, 8 slices of bacon, 4 cups of chicken broth, 1.5 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Using medium heat, bring your Dutch oven to temperature, then fry your bacon. Allow your bacon to cook for 4 minutes or until they are crispy and golden brown. After 4 minutes, remove the bacon from the pot and set aside. Now saute your onions for 2 minutes. Add the garlic and continue to saute for an additional 2 minutes. Add the green beans, water, and chicken broth, then bring your liquid to a light simmer. Now season with your salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and Cajun seasoning. Cover and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add the potatoes, then return the bacon, then mix well. Cover with your lid and continue to cook for an additional hour. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made